Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about vitamin A. Firstly, we'll talk about what are vitamins, what are different forms of vitamins and vitamin A, functions, food sources of different forms of vitamin A, and what happens if there is deficiency. So if that's something that interests you, then please keep on watching. So, what are vitamins? Vitamins are diverse organic compounds that are essential for optimal functioning of the body, maintenance of health, and protection from diseases. They themselves do not provide any energy, although some are important for energy production. Now, vitamins are classified as water soluble and fat soluble. So, water soluble are the ones that are soluble in water, and fat soluble are the ones that are soluble in fat. So, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12, C is all under water soluble, and A, D, E, K is fat soluble. So, today we will be talking about vitamin A. So, vitamin A is divided into like retinoids and carotenoids. So, under retinoids, there is retinol, retinal, retinoic acid, and under carotenoids, there is beta carotene, alpha carotene, cryptoxanthin, lycopene, and xanthophyls. Now let's have a look at functions of vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a critical role in vision, especially in dim light, and eye contains 0.01% of total vitamin A in the body. So basically it helps in vision. Secondly, it helps in growth as there is retinyl phosphate synthesized from retinol, which is form of vitamin A that is necessary to synthesize glycoprotein that is required for growth. It helps in cell differentiation and gene expression. It also helps immune system. Vitamin A is also required to maintain normal health and functioning of epithelial layer. Especially in children, vitamin A supplement may be beneficial in reducing morbidity and mortality if they are suffering from HIV. It also has function in reproduction like serum retinol. There is serum retinol, that is if it is below 20 ug per dl, it is found to be associated with preterm deliveries and all. Now let's move to food sources. So first we'll see which are rich in retinol: cow's milk, butter, egg yolk, fish, egg whole, and goat liver. Then in beta carotene, bajra, maize, bengal gram, green gram, red gram, amaranth leaves, beet greens, beetle leaves, colocasia leaves, drumstick leaves, fenugreek leaves, lettuce, mustard leaves, radish leaves, spinach, bitter gourd, brinjal, capsicum, cluster beans, field beans, tomato, apricot, banana, blackberry, cherries, currants, dates, guava, mango, muskmelon, papaya, watermelon, carrot, sweet potato, yam, chilies, coriander leaves, curry leaves, mint leaves, coriander seeds, mace, black pepper, pista nuts, egg yolk. Now in alpha carotene, beetle leaves, field beans, French beans, pumpkin, pepper, banana, orange, carrot, curry leaves, cloves. So that's all for the food sources. Now coming to the last part, that is deficiency of vitamin A. As mentioned in function, it plays critical role in vision. So if there is deficiency, it will affect eyes. Secondly, it will lead to growth retardation, morbidity, child mortality. It can lead to protein energy malnutrition, and it also affects immune system. So that's all for vitamin A. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching my video. Please hit the like button if you like this and subscribe for more such videos. Until next time, eat healthy, stay safe and stay happy.